Good morning. We are probably about 36-ish hours away from what they're saying is going to be a really bad winter storm. Calling it a blizzard. I don't know that we're getting any snow or precipitation of any kind, but I do know we're going to get really, really bad cold, which isn't something that we're new to here, but it is really early for that. It's a good month early for bad double-digit below zero cold. So I'm not ready. It's December and we usually get that in like January, February. So I've got to get everybody prepped. I got to make sure everybody's bedded down real good. Block off any really bad windy areas in the barns. So we got to get it done, Molly. We got to get it done. Okay, I have a drill, I have screws, I have a saw. I'm gonna grab the staple gun and some plastic and then try to find some scrap wood. So that should be good. All right, it is not cold yet. I mean, it's not warm either, but it's only like 2 degrees below freezing. And this is the crap you get to deal with already. Everything gets stuck. Okay, this is my first problem on the agenda here. This is just a screen window, and it's also the west side of the building, so it's going to be taking the brunt of the cold and the wind. I'm just going to throw some plastic over it, so I'll run a couple boards, top and bottom, that way I've got something to tack into. And then they have a door here, so I'll probably lock these guys up so that they don't get stuck outside in the cold. Alright, that's good enough for the outside. I'm going to do the same thing on the inside too, just so it's got 2 layers. What's going on out there? You just call my pig a fatcher?
A fatcher pig.
It's rude.
Yeah, birthday present. Will you open this real quick?
Birthday?
Yep.
It's Christmas.
It's your birthday present. It's your birthday present because
They're weird. They got me some heated gloves. I'll have to charge them up so that I'm not getting frostbite when it gets super cold. That should be good for the goats. I like using the clear plastic because it still lets light in. I know it's not the strongest in the world, but it really only needs to hold for, you know, a couple of months. Not a permanent thing for sure. Then Toby is on the same side of the barn also, but he has an actual glass window over his, so his brunt of the wind isn't quite as bad. I probably will go over there and put some on that side though, just to block it off a tiny bit more. Sometimes I don't even know what I have in the barn. I thought I had several bags of plastic. Apparently I also have a mattress topper bag. I don't know, it's plastic, it'll work. All right, so apparently a mattress bag has holes in it. I'm not excited about that, but we're gonna make it work. Molly, you're gonna save me if I fall, right? Okay, good enough for this barn. Alright, so I just counted out. I'm only 3 days away from needing to pull all of the goats apart because we have our breeding stock over there. But I need to take the boys out from the girls and get everybody separated again. I think I'm going to do that today instead of waiting because that means I won't have to fix things in here to winterize. We'll keep a few in that pasture and then this one can be for Molly and then the rest are going to go back into the original side over there. There's only 2 shelters in this pasture and they're both really small, so if you get a bunch of butthead goats, a lot of times the weakest link gets kicked out, and that is not good with this weather coming. So I don't want anybody freezing to death because somebody's being a bully. All right, to keep Molly out of the way while I'm doing all this, I'm gonna go toss her in her stall. Very well. All right. Chill out here for a minute. No, there's not food in your bucket. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go grab some grain. I'm gonna try to get the big girls to follow me to the other pasture without letting all the boys out. That ought to be fun. I got the grain. Come on, girls. And I dropped some. Never drop the grain. That's how you get yourself in trouble. Girls, come on. There we go. Come on, Reba. Come on, Gemma. This is the first time I've ever let Gemma out without her harness and being drugged around. So far, it's going badly. Gemma! There we go. Run, goaties! Run! They're gonna get stuck over here by the girls, probably. Wow. You know what, ladies? That was impressive. I am very impressed with you right now. Okay, now over here, I gotta let my 4 girls out and not him. Well, he has to go over there with the boys. Come on, girls. Not you, baby. Tootsie, come on, honey. There we go. I'm sorry, baby. I'll get you with the boys in a minute. No, no. That went good, didn't it? Come on, ladies. Jojo. Good girls. Good girls. Good little goaties. Good babies. All right, let us in. Let us in. Come on, Jojo. You're bringing up the rear. Well, excuse you. Oh, Reba, that thing looks disgusting on your face. I need to clean that up. All right, we have one oddball guy here. Come on, Domino. Come on, buddy. Okay. Come on, look. Look what I got. Oh, it's delicious. Let's go. Come on. Dude. Seriously. Look how well he listens. He's really good at this. Oh, jeez. I had to carry him like a baby. He wasn't cooperating. All right, hopefully nobody beats you up too bad. You look so ridiculous with your beard cut like that. Poor guy. Hey, be nice. Behave yourself. Hey, can I help you? Hi, bud. Oh, good. He's trying to hump him. That's fabulous. Percy, honey, you're gonna get your dang leg broke like that. Quit. Alright, we're done in here. That makes me feel better about structure-wise, as far as keeping everybody warm from the wind. The girls will stay over here. They've got the big open barn. Molly will get put in her stall, and the boy goats have that side of the barn also. I'll go ahead and shut that door a little more when it gets closer to it. It's actually getting a little warm now that the sun came out. All that's left to do now is get everybody bedded down with straw or hay. Make sure I have all of the water tank heaters plugged in, that I can anyways. All right, that should be plenty of room for the girls, as long as the chickens don't kick it everywhere. Man, if I didn't like eggs, I would not have these birds. Just saying. What are you doing? Toby is very busy fixing his whole spot in here. You got enough straw, Tobes? Is that enough straw? Yeah? Alright, next morning. I think I have all the buildings to the point where they're as good as they're gonna be. I have Molly out this morning so she can get a little exercise in before the weather really gets bad. It's like 10-ish and it's already, you know, it's snowing and it's windy. So the weather is definitely coming in faster than I thought it was going to, which is a bummer because I still need to do today's chores. So I'm gonna rush through those. We're gonna make sure we've got plenty of water down in the cellar so that it doesn't freeze up on us if we lose power. Yeah, we have all our fuel, extras for the generators and kerosene heaters and all that. But we will see you in the aftermath. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.